Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today I have prepared two very easy questions for you. One is multiple choice question, another one is true-false question. Those questions seems very easy. I believe that some of you still can make a mistake, so I recommend you to watch this video to the end. And here is the first question. In humans, males are blank space. You have to choose the correct word since they have two different sex chromosomes. And here four answers to choose from. I would start from the end of this list of answers. Answer D, pseudo-hermaphroditic, and here is a photo of the male. I'm not mistaken, this is a male, and this is example of pseudo-hermaphroditic male whose genetic makeup, like in any normal male, would be X and Y chromosome, but in this case we see that phenotypically this male looks like a female due to androgen insensitivity, and imagine that this male has cells, and on the all cells, or at least on those cells that cell lines that participate in sex determination, these receptors are mutated, and male hormones, androgen hormones, cannot attach to them and cannot penetrate inside those cell lines that defines maleness or defines male development. So this is what we can see on this picture, that such male would develop as female, so external sex organs would be like in female, those internal organs may still develop like male's organs. And answer C, hermaphrodites, such people who has both females and males sexual organs. So also there are many hermaphrodic animals, especially those animals that is invertebrates. Most of them are hermaphrodic, so has both sexual organs of both sexes. So both of these answers we can cross out. And as you see, male's genetic makeup would be two sex chromosome. One is X chromosome, another is Y chromosome, and females has two X chromosomes. When male and female would mate, female would produce gametes with only X chromosome. So all the progeny would get only X chromosome from the mother side, no matter whether this variant or this one, but from the father side, progeny may get whether X chromosome or Y chromosome. So as you see, 50% of the progeny would be females and 50% of the progeny would be males. And this is due to the fact that males would produce gametes of two types. In one type of the gametes, and male gametes would be sperm, so in one type of the sperm there would be X chromosome, and another type would be Y chromosome, and gametes of the female would be X cells, and any variant of the X cell would contain one X chromosome. So human females are homogametic, and males are heterogametic because can produce two types of gametes. But I also want to tell you that in some animals, sex of the progeny is determined not by male but female. For example, we call such system in birds that W system. In this system, female would be heterogametic, would have two different sex chromosomes, and male would be homogametic, would have two the same types of sex chromosomes. So as you see, once again our question in humans, males are answer B, heterogametic, and since they have two different sex chromosomes. There are also many different other variants of sex determination in animal world, for example, XO determination system, where animals can be may have two X chromosomes or with one sex chromosome. So when animal would have two X chromosomes, such animal would develop as female, and when animal would have one X chromosome, such animal would develop as male. So there are many different sex determination systems in the animal world. So next question, this is true or false question. Sexual identity is determined by the sex chromosome makeup of an individual only, and as you saw in our previous example, those a person may have X and Y chromosomes that defines maleness, still such a person may develop as a female if such a person has a mutation of the receptors that do not allow male hormones to penetrate inside cells, and if hormones cannot penetrate inside the cell, these hormones cannot change how genes are expressed. And also I want to tell you that you have to pay attention that sexual identity is not the same as sex. For example, some males can perceive themselves as females or intersexual or bisexual, so, and also vice versa. So sexual identity is not the same as sex. Not only genes or genetic makeup defines sexual identity, but also environmental influence. So the correct answer would be answer B. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.